Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best diamond painting kits are probably one of the most captivating and relaxing crafts you can try. Today we're counting down the top 5 best diamond painting kits that will spark your creativity and bring out your inner artist. Now let's take a look at the top 5 best diamond painting kits we choose for you. Number 5. With a foam base and screw top, you can easily organize and protect your drills. The mesh pocket is perfect for storing accessories. The foldable silicone funnel makes filling diamonds safer and easier. No more messy transfers with this convenient tool. Includes a diamond painting pen with drill placers and labels for easy organization. Tray and wax are also included for your convenience. The ARTDOT storage system is portable and perfect for diamond art on the go. Keep all your tools in one place. Each storage container holds 10 grams of objects, perfect for beads or other small items. Versatile and convenient for any crafter. What we like: if you have a large area with the same color diamond, you should consider this storage system. The foldable silicone funnel makes filling diamonds safer and easier, and the additional diamond painting tools provide convenience and organization for your diamond art. What people say:
the case with handle is good quality, easy to zip open and closed. The top half is big enough to hold all my accessories in. It has a sturdy foam insert to hold each plastic jar in place. The jars have a screw top and are a perfect fit. My favorite accessory is collapsible funnel and very handy and made the process of filling jars clean and easier. Great product and worth the dollars. Hard shell case keeps everything in place just as you left it. Size is great and still manageable if you are always relocating spaces in your home or to diamond paint with others.
Number 4. Keep your finished diamond painting intact and shining forever. Maintain a clean, glossy finish and prevent diamonds from sticking and falling off. Simply shake the diamond art sealer, apply it evenly with the included brush, and let it dry. It cures in just 15 minutes, fully curing in about 20 minutes. Suitable for all diamond paintings, jigsaw puzzles, scratch patterns, and more. A perfect helper to preserve your diamond art and puzzles. Made from 100% water-based PVA glue, safe for both adults and children over 14. Keep your creations secure without worry. Store at proper temperature to prevent freezing. Check the temperature in your area before purchasing to ensure product quality. What we like: if you want to keep your finished diamond painting intact and shiny forever, you should consider this diamond painting sealer. It is easy to use and suitable for all diamond paintings and other diamond art projects. It protects against dirt and water, ensuring the longevity of your artwork. What people say:
the brushes and glue work great. It is very clear once you put it on, and it helps hold your diamonds in place, and they still have the sparkle and shine. It applies clear, and it's great for the money. It seals and plays. There's no bubbles, and it's being a bottle to do quite a few diamond paintings. It's a great size. I love this sealer. I have been sealing all my diamond artwork with it. I like making a lot of crosses. I use this product. It goes on white looking but always dries clear. It really goes a long way.
Number 3. Our kit uses high-quality canvas that is clear, waterproof, and crease-free. The symbols are easy to understand, and the DMC code on the canvas matches the drill bit colors. The canvas uses environmentally friendly glue to ensure the diamonds stay in place. Our kit comes with 30% more diamonds, individually packaged for convenience. The round dots make it easier to work with and provide a more satisfying diamond painting experience. The 5D full drill gem arts crafts can be preserved for years, perfect for decorating any room in your home. It also makes a great gift for various occasions like birthdays, weddings, and Christmas. Our kit is a great way to relax and relieve stress. It promotes patience, practical skills, and allows you to share quality time with family or friends. Suitable for all ages, it provides a sense of accomplishment and boosts self-confidence. We offer high-quality products with bright colors and clear symbols, perfect for beginners. If you encounter any issues like missing diamonds or tools, please contact us via email and we will respond within 24 hours. What we like? If you're looking for a high-quality diamond painting kit, this one is for you. The canvas is clear and waterproof, and it comes with 30% more diamonds for a more detailed and beautiful result. It is suitable for people of all ages, making it a great activity for the whole family to enjoy. What people say:
I like that the letters symbols had a square border which made placing the drills way easier and straighter. These large diamond painting projects give me a sense of accomplishment and let me have a finality over something. I work on them in my free time to turn my brain off, and it is so satisfying.
Number 2. The pictures come flat, with full diamonds and waterproof canvas. Includes resin diamonds and diamond painting tools. Spend less and get more. Each painting has clear symbols and easy-to-understand letter codes. Enjoy artcraft time freely. Finishing a DIY diamond painting can reduce stress, boost confidence, and share happy times with family or friends. Create your own gem art masterpieces to light up any room, perfect for home decor or as a gift for special occasions. Quality is our advantage. Contact us if you have any issues, and we will replace or refund within 24 hours. What we like. If you're a beginner or looking for a great value diamond painting kit, this one is perfect for you. It comes with everything you need, including waterproof canvas, extra reflective resin diamonds, and diamond painting tools. The clear symbols and easy-to-understand instructions make it easy to read and complete. It's a great way to enhance your creativity and decorate your home. What people say.
Great value. This will probably keep me busy for a year or more. Plenty of extra diamonds. No need to worry if you drop or lose a few. These are beautiful and big. Major points for the seller shipping them flat. I hate when they come rolled up and I gotta set books on top of the canvas to flatten it out for a few days. These come ready to go. The drills come marked clearly. Came with wax, 12 trays, and pens. The colors are vibrant. The symbols are somewhat hard to see without a light board. This is a good deal. These were a great value for the price, 12 paintings. My family has had fun flipping through to choose our next projects. Love that they shipped flat so no creases or ripples, makes them very easy to use.
Number 1. The canvas size is 19.7 x 15.7 inches, providing ample space for your diamond painting masterpiece. The diamond painting is made of HD high-quality canvas, ensuring a waterproof and clear background for easy diamond sticking. This diamond painting kit is suitable for beginners, kids, and adults, offering a fun and interactive way to cultivate hands-on abilities. Diamond painting is a great way to relieve stress and kill time. No special skills required. Just stick the diamonds on the canvas and create your own masterpiece. This diamond painting kit makes a perfect gift for family, friends, or colleagues, offering a unique and creative way to enhance relationships and experience a sense of achievement. What we like. If you want a large and realistic diamond painting, this kit is the right choice. The high-quality canvas and individually packaged diamonds ensure a beautiful and durable result. It's suitable for leisure and entertainment, and anyone can participate, regardless of their skill level. It's also a great gift idea for your loved ones. What people say.
The colors are very pretty. The letters are very clear and easy to read. The backing is the perfect stickiness and all of the beads I've applied have stayed on. It looks challenging at first and took me a week to complete, but it's so addicting and you have to force yourself to take breaks, and this was my first diamond art painting and I'm very happy with it, and I purchased 6 others and I've got 7 more to buy. This is most definitely a must-have to your diamond painting. There was plenty of diamonds and it looks just like the pictures.
You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.